Today we're doing the Toshiba satellite and we're gonna change the DC jack in it. This is the L450. So the first thing you do, get a little little tool so we can take out the cover right here. So I already did it. There's the cover right there. I put it on the side. There are two screws, one screw here, one screw there. Okay, I already took those out. And now I can take the keyboard out. And so we'll pry the little tabs. These little tabs right here. Just pry them out and then you can take the cable right out. Okay, so that's the first step. You can pause. Okay, so now in order to get inside we have to take out all the F10 screws that are located on the bottom, plus the M2.5 screws. I gotta take out all three of these. So once I take these off, then we're gonna take out also the F10 screws up here. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once I take that out, we disconnect the cables. Okay, all these cables, and then we'll simply remove the cover. Okay, so here we Alright, and we slide the hard drive out. Okay. So again, all the F10 screws, and they're all okay. So we'll just put them in one container. Okay, so now we take the cover off. Okay, and I've already moved most of the tabs, cables. There we go. And so we look here. So here's our DC jack. And the DC jack is okay, it's just the plastic component here is what's broken. So somehow we gotta secure it. But the DC jack looks okay to me. Okay, so that's it, and then we'll get back to you later. Say when? Yeah. Okay, so we're just pouring some hot glue over the frame so that way it will seal up. Okay. And so as you can see, this is the part here that was broken. And that's the part we had to fix. That's the only way to fix this. Other than that, we'd have to replace the whole bottom plate of the laptop. Okay, so So it looks to me like it's a great bond. And so now we're putting it all back together again. I've connected the power cable and the speaker cables, the mouse pad. Okay, so all the cables are in. And now we just make sure. Okay, there's nothing to snap in on this particular model, it's just screws that you have to screw in. So, screw here. Screw there. Screw here. So now, just put it all back together. Start with the CD-ROM. And I have a screw right here. Okay. And all that you do is slide it in straight. Okay. As much as you can. And then just pull the brown tabs down. So, put them in. I've secured them in. So now we'll just that's it. And then after that we'll put in the 2 screws in here, but first I'd like to give it a test before I put the cover on. So I'm going to put the screws and then we'll give it a test. Okay, so while that's turning on, I'm just going to plug in the AC to make sure that the AC is also good. And that the battery is charging.
Wow, a cat with glasses?
Okay, so you want to aim here at this end. Okay, you can pause.
Hello.
Hey, Paul.